Hello, my name is Renuka, and today you might be surprised that what she's sharing, like, yeah, these are the thank you cards ideas. So, we don't have to give a thanks to anyone when it's a Thanksgiving. We can do that year around. We can definitely do at Thanksgiving, but we can do that year around. So here I have lots of cards saying thank you for the all kind of occasion, not only Thanksgiving, but they will share a different kind of themes. Simple one, like everyday cards, like whenever you want to say thanks to someone. So I'm just sharing these ideas. Maybe you got inspired and create something, whatever you like. You can see on my channel. Most of the cards I made and the video with it, and this is the nice way to say thanks. Now it's a holiday season, everyone will get the gifts, everyone will get the lots of homecoming people and celebrate this Christmas season with their loved ones. So it's a really nice way to thank you for all they are doing for us, like giving thank you for the present, giving thank you for spending a time with us, giving thank you for all that love, giving thank you for all the teachers, to the school, to anyone. So don't stop giving your thanks until the Thanksgiving. Holiday seasons are always say to nice words to other. Always, this is the way to express your feelings to others. So why not? So that's why I'm sharing all these thanks cards to you guys. Most of these cards I don't have. I send them to any like other people. You can see the video quality. This is the kind of video like I want to make before sending these cards. I sent most of these cards while Thanksgiving. Some of them are still with me, but you can see that I have these flowers, the spring cards, the autumn cards, the like any cards. So these are just the way to say that how much we love you, or how much we care, or how grateful we are to having you in our lives. So yeah, I thought why not. Thank you card is like all around year card. So here I'm sharing a lot of ideas where you can pick some ideas. I hope if you like this kind of video, I'm planning to make one Christmas card video also, so that you can get an idea. And sometimes you see the card and you was like, okay, I want to make that card. So you can take a screenshot from this and you can create your own card. If you're having any struggle, or if you really want to see that how I make that card, you can see in my channel. You can find easily with the tabs. Like most of the times I put the thumb links with the picture of that card, so you can get that easily. And if you don't have the same product, you can find similar products to it. You don't have to use the same product, and you don't have to make a same card as I'm doing here. But it's okay, like you will get an idea, like yeah, I want this kind of card. So here just kind of giving more ideas. And by saying all this, I must say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm returning back after a long time. Still I'm kind of managing myself. Still my craft supplies are not up to date. Still I'm struggling with, sometimes I don't have ink, sometimes I don't know, my paints doesn't work. So yeah, it's going on with me. But yeah, I will come in a routine. I will get everything, like whatever I want, whatever is essential. But I don't want to stop myself with those things. I'm just using the substitute. Sometimes I order, sometimes I use whatever I want, I have. So don't stop yourself for making anything. Don't stop yourself creating anything, and don't ever stop to yourself to say thank you, how much you care for the people, anyone in your life, that how much you love them, how grateful you are that they are in your life. The same way I'm very grateful for all my subscribers and non-subscribers support, who watch these videos, who inspire me, who put a nice comments, who put a love and support all the time for me. There are some people who are following me from the long time, and like when I see them back again, giving me putting a comment section, writing something for me, it feels so overwhelmed that people around the world, which I don't know really personally, they are giving me so much love. So whenever I saw this kind of love, I was so grateful that God gave me these kind of people in my life. And I'm so happy that I'm doing this again. And it doesn't matter that how much view I got, how much, like, likes I got, but at least if one people or one person can inspire with them with anything, maybe the color combination, maybe they want to do the craft, maybe they're just happy, they just smile while seeing this video, the purpose of this video making is solved. So I'm really grateful about it, and thank you so much for all your love, support. And yeah, if you like this video, you want to see more videos on my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. I love to read your comments and tell me how you're making your Christmas happy. So bye bye and happy holidays.